So if you look at my previous videos, I would have directly recorded from the DSLR mic. I was not happy with the quality of the audio recordings, so I was looking online for which mic is suitable for YouTube or while you're recording or vlog or doing any kind of videos, what kind of mic would be better. So I was looking online and I found this lavalier microphone is like for the budget of mine, and then like even tried many microphones and then finally settled or got the lavalier microphone from PowerDewise. So this is what we are going to see today. I'm going to unbox this and then take a look what's inside, and then we'll also see how it performs in different environments. I'm going to record this audio outside or in different situations, and then let's see how it performs. So if you are planning to start a YouTube channel or if you're already using it, I would suggest this is like a budget microphone which we can get for a cheap price of $40 from Amazon. So let's go and take a look. 3.5 jack, so you can directly connect to phone, iPads. It's directly plug and play. And it has got a 6.5 feet mic cord and extra 6.5 feet extension cord, and it comes with a rotating clip. So this is a PowerDewise lavalier microphone. So it says you can also connect with the DSLR and laptops or PCs if you ever want to. So for that purpose they have given a 4 to 3 pin adapter which is included in this pack. So which is a convenient and a thoughtful idea from the lavalier microphone. 3.5 jack, so you can directly connect to phone, iPads. It's directly plug and play. And it has got a 6.5 feet mic cord and extra 6.5 feet extension cord, and it comes with a rotating clip. So this is a PowerDewise lavalier microphone. So it says you can also connect with the DSLR and laptops or PCs if you ever want to. So for that purpose they have given a 4 to 3 pin adapter which is included in this pack. So which is a convenient and a thoughtful idea from the lavalier microphone. Also they have given a user guide where you can see that how to plug in and then how to start recording. So let's go ahead and open the box. And see what's inside. So it says it has got a 1 year warranty. You have to register from their website to get this warranty, and also it says get a free Y connector from which you can connect 2 mics into one device. I think once you register it, they will ship you the free Y connector as well. This is the website. Maybe you can go and check it out. I haven't checked it. So it comes with a nice handy pouch, sturdy, and I think it's a waterproof as well. So it has a branding PowerDewise easy vlogging. They're mainly focusing on mics for vlogging. So on the back of it has got some quote, words can change lives, record them perfectly. So let's open this and see what's inside. So this is the extension 3 to 4 pin connector, and they have also provided 2 wind muff in case you lose the first one. So they given a spare, you can use these. So this is the 4 to 3 pin connector. You can use this to connect to PC, laptop, camera or voice recorder. So this is the microphone, the Lav Microphone. It has got this crocodile type clip. It's a rotating clip. Yeah, you can rotate like this, like however you want. You can fix it and then you can rotate it however the way you want. So this comes with the sturdy clip. This looks sturdy. This is a crocodile clip, and this cable is a 6.5 feet cable, which is pretty much convenient if you want to record. If you want to record it very closely, you don't have to manage lots of cable. If it's some brands give you a 20 feet cable in just one set, so it's very hard if you want to manage 20 feet cable if you are like trying to talk close or do a vlogging. So this is a 6.5 feet cable which is still manageable if you want to do vlog directly connecting it to a DSLR and you want to hold it on your hands and talk. So this is a good idea. So in case if ever you want to increase the length of the cord, so they given an extension cord which is another 6.5 feet. So totally you get 13 feet of cable, which is pretty much enough for any kind of vlogging, because you're not going to stand 20 feet away from the camera and do the recording. So which is also a nice idea what lavalier for the PowerDewise have given. Let's see if they have got anything else. So I think there is a microfiber cloth with PowerDewise tag on that. If you ever make your mic dirty, I think this is to clean up. Now this is the unboxing of the lavalier mic. So we'll move on to testing this mic and see how it performs. We're going to test this microphone in different scenarios or different ambience. So now I'm going to test this in the room. I have turned off everything, no TV, no fan. It's in a quiet situation, quiet environment. We're going to test this mic. So first we're going to do two things. First I'm going to talk directly into the microphone of the DSLR, and then let's test the audio, and then after that I'm going to connect this mic to the DSLR, and then let's see how the audio improves. To connect to the DSLR I'm going to use 4 to 3 pin adapter which was provided along with the pack. So in case if your DSLR is not detecting this microphone, or if the audio quality you think it's same even after connecting this mic, two things we have to do. First, turn on the manual mode in the DSLR camera. Sometimes in auto mode it doesn't detect the microphone, external microphone, and also you have to set the gain. Going into the settings, I have a Canon, so I go into the settings and set the gain as -12 before recording through the mic. So I have already set up this. I'm talking directly into the DSLR microphone. Now all this you have heard is from the DSLR microphone. Heard through the DSLR microphone. Now I'm going to connect this to the DSLR and let's see how the audio quality is. So here whatever I am talking is through the lavalier microphone. Now you can hear the quality. Let me know how it improved when I was directly speaking to the DSLR, and now I am talking through the microphone, and you can compare the quality and see how the voice quality has changed after connecting this microphone. So now I am going to disconnect it, and then let's see how the performance is. So now I have disconnected and talking directly to the DSLR microphone. So now you can see the difference. So next thing we are going to do, what we are going to do is I have a fan here. I'm going to turn on the fan and let's see how it performs when the fan is on. I'm going to keep the fan much closer to me, and then let's see how it performs. Okay, now the fan is on. I'm talking directly into the DSLR mic. You can see how my voice quality is. Now I'm going to connect this mic again into the DSLR. And then let's see how the performance is. Now I am talking through the Lav microphone connected to DSLR. I can't hear actually the difference. When I see the video I might be able to hear, but you might see the difference in the voice quality already. With the fan, I hope it should be better than directly talking to the DSLR mic. Fan is very close to me. I think the audio quality is much better than if you would talk without this mic or directly into a DSLR, or if you are vlogging in directly into the phone microphone. I think attaching this Lav microphone is going to give a better audio quality for sure. And even if you are outside and doing a vlog with your DSLR or your camera, even the outdoor noise is going to be a disturbance if you're going to directly talk into any of these mics without an external mic. So this lavalier is definitely going to help you to improve your audio quality. So we are doing the second part of the testing. I'm on a busy street. You can see the cars going around. So I'm now talking directly into the microphone of the DSLR. You can see how my voice quality is. After this I'm just going to plug in the Lav microphone whatever I have from PowerDewise, and let's see what the difference is and how the audio quality is. You can see audio quality when I'm outside actually in a busy street where like there is lots of ambient noise. Okay, now I have plugged in the Lav microphone. Now you can hear the difference. So I'm on a busy street. I'm talking through the microphone. You can see the buses and the car moving around. I'm actually talking in the same loudness as I was talking before. So we did multiple tests from inside and outside. You would have seen the different voice quality and clarity between the DSLR inbuilt microphone and the Lav microphone from PowerDewise. Hope you would have got an idea. So I pretty much like this for two reasons. One is the audio quality for this budget price, as well as the split cable what they give is a 6 feet, so it's really convenient. You don't have to manage much of the cable if you want to just talk, and also the 4 to 3 pin converter, which is convenient if you want to plug into DSLR or laptops like I am doing currently, as well as the regular pin you can plug in directly into an iPhone or iPad. So all these are like really makes it a good budget microphone. If you are like really planning to start your YouTube channel, or if you really want a good microphone or audio quality in your videos, looking to improve your audio quality in your vlogs or in YouTube or any of the videos or interviews which you are recording, this budget Lav microphone from PowerDewise will be really a good choice for you.